you know, whether we like it or not, you know, by the way, the book of Joshua will end in what? Death. Joshua will die, go to heaven, but he wants to make sure that everything will be in order. So in chapter 23, Joshua will be speaking to the leaders. Chapter 24, to all the people. Bakit hiniwalay pa? You know why? The leaders were there to make sure that after Joshua leaves, okay pa itong generation na to. And the people will reach out to the next generation. So there are two kinds of people here. Leaders. Sino po leaders dito? If you're a parent, pakitaas ang kamay mo. Daddy, mommy. O sige. Ano po yung magulang sa Tagalog? Ay, parents sa Tagalog. Ano yung lola, lolo? Mas magulang. Okay? So, you are the leaders here. The people here are the children. You know why? Because you are the one who will be passing on the message of Joshua to the next generation. Sad to say, after this message, you will see that, sabi nga, Christianity is one generation away from extinction. So, we all have something to learn here. Okay. Sabi nung COS namin, brother, marami nang may alam, may problema ka. Sabi ko, oo, alam ko. Ano ba yung HIV? Hair vanishing? No. I just want to be open and honest. You know, when they gave this message to me, sabi ko, I have a lot to learn today. Now, I just like to tell the church, not for any reason, not to ask for sympathy or what, I have to be accountable to you. I have stage 4 cancer, no? Prostate cancer. So, hindi ako mamamaalam, by the way. Hindi ako mamamaalam. Si Joshua, 20 years pa bago na maalam. So, if you want to pray for me, pray like si 20 years. Baka pwede ba? Yes. 15 years, sabi ni sino ba yun? Kaya, di ba? Sabi ko, hindi. There was 20 years of rest. Sabi ko, malay natin, 20 years, di ba? Okay. You know, we don't want to be sentimental or whatever. You know, everybody. Could you please look at the person beside you? Sabi mo, huwag ka mauna kay Tony, ha? Huwag ka mauna. Okay. You know, we really don't know when the Lord will call us. But the point is, in the meantime, will we stay on course? Okay? And that's the message today. Will I stay on course? Will we all die? Yes. What's so bad about dying? When you die, where will you go? Oh, ano sa maron? Diba? But the truth is, being human, siyempre ayaw pa, Lord, wag muna. Diba? Gusto ko magkaroon ng apo. But you know what? Today, I want you to think in the future. Are you ready? Can you tell the Lord, Lord, I will be facing you with a clean heart. Wala akong dalang basura. And will I be leaving my family, giving them a good example like Joshua, modeling to them what it means to have faith in God? You know, Joshua, kumaga may edge siya, no? He knew that he was departing. You know, having cancer, in a way, is also an advantage. Kasi you are reminded of your mortality every day. Right? Right? What did Paul say? For me to live is Christ, to die is gain. You know, there was a point in time in our lives that we know, yeah, Lord, come now, anytime. Pag sinabi mo, Lord, bago kotse ko, wag muna. Lord, may ganito pa, may problema. And once that happens, you're eager to wait for the Son of God, whom He raised from the dead, that is Jesus who rescues us from the wrath of God. If you're here today, you haven't understood the love of God. Okay? Today is the day of salvation. You know, there's a wrath